Hello friends, welcome to Arshad Stock Business News. Friends, see here today, 2 days back, India released its pharmaceutical exports of March 31st ended of this financial year. They posted nearly 18.7% growth, friends. Nearly $24.44 billion exports happened in March 31st for 3 months period. So friends, despite of a global market shrinking by 1.1 to 2% in 2020, it's an extraordinary uh, measure which tells that India is a world pharma factory. So we can expect going forward this year also Indian pharmaceuticals will play a key role in their growth revenue. Already pharmaceuticals didn't move from last 3-4 months, but recently from 2 weeks onwards pharmaceutical shares pharma index gaining. So this gain will continue, friends. And friends, I am going to show you the top companies and revenue. So see here, the growth majorly came from generic medicines, as the industry people told this is due to a surge in demand for made in generics owing to their quality and affordability. So going forward, the huge market share of these generics will be came from North America remains the largest market for Indian pharmaceutical, accounting more than 34% share, and exposed to US, Canada, and recorded growth. Among these all news is what we are going to see is who are the best exporters for US, North America. These pharmaceutical companies will gain good number of revenue this March quarter. If you see here, top companies of generic medicines in India. So top companies in Indian generics, I am seeing two articles where they mentioning wait a minute, friends. If you're gonna see, this is Tava Pharmaceutical Industries, Waghard Pharma, and next one is Sandoz, and next one is Phoenix Kebi, and Endo Pharmaceuticals, and Torque Pharmaceuticals, and Saint Medcares, and Kirk Pharmaceuticals, and Zydus, and friends, Malon also, Malon. So we are seeing another article. So both are same. Next one. See here, as 2018's revenue based, they said they given like Perimal as 20, Perimal as 20, and Endo same, Glenmark at 18th 16th position, but they will move up and down with their rankings. And friends, what I am going to say is, in my view, Aurobindo Pharma is the biggest exporter for US, North America, and I am expecting that will get good benefit. And Malyan also a good company, pharmaceutical company, and we are going to take Sun Pharmaceutical and Cipla also good one. And see friends, here Lupin also having a good revenue, and Dr. Reddy's well-known brands, and Cipla. So we are taking like a Cipla and Dr. Reddy's, and going forward this one what you called Sun Pharma, and this one Malyan, and Arvindo Pharma. But friends, Arvindo Pharma will get good benefit, friends. And friends, we expect Sensex will open minus 200 points gap down today. So friends, if you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, friends. Thank you.